Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add Obrelo to Shopify so you can start importing products and automate your dropshipping business all in a few clicks. So let's set it up. The first step is to log into Shopify, and to do that, just go to shopify.com and make sure you log in using your Google account credentials or your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, you're going to be directed to your Shopify dashboard, as you can see here. The second step, in your Shopify dashboard, click on apps on the left panel. Let's look for apps here and click on add apps and search for Obrelo. Let's search for Obrelo. Go to the Shopify App Store. And let's look for the Obrelo app and see if it is here. As you can see, there's a lot of dropshipping apps here. And you're just gonna search for the Obrelo app. Now after you find the Obrelo app, or you can look for it directly from its website by looking for Obrelo and click here. And click on Join Shopify now. And make sure you log in to your Shopify account. Now once you install Obrelo app, the first step is to authorize connection. Now when prompted, click on Install App and grant Obrelo access to your Shopify store. As for the fifth and final step, start importing products. After connecting, you can browse products directly from Obrelo and add them to your store in one click. And you can sync your products on Obrelo with your products on Shopify store. And you've successfully linked Obrelo to Shopify, and you're ready for dropshipping. Now before going live, update your store's product description and images for a branded look, and enable automated order fulfillment in Obrelo setting to save time. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.